Hello everyone, this is your Bandini Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB Tutorial. So in previous session we have discussed exercise 1.1 question number 5 to 9, right? Okay, and today in this session we are going to discuss exercise 1.2. So let's start it. Question number 1 is write down a pair of integers whose first part is sum is minus 7. Okay, so in this question you have to find a pair of integers whose sum is means whose addition is minus 7. हमें ऐसे दो integers find करने हैं, लिखने हैं जिनका sum क्या है minus 7. Okay, so we have to find the sum of two integers. So I am putting here addition sign between two integers. Okay, we don't know these integers, we have to find. Okay, and we know that the sum of these two integers is what? Minus 7. Okay, now see, we will apply here rule. Okay, we will recall here addition rule. According to the rule, it is very easy to find the integers whose sum and difference whatever you are given. Okay, so now see, here the integer is negative. Okay, the integer is negative. So here can be many examples that will follow the second rule in which the both integers are negative, and the third and fourth rule in which one integer is negative and one was positive. Okay, तो हमें यहाँ पर क्या लेना है, यहाँ पर नेगेटिव इंटीजर है तो हम यहाँ पर दोनों ही नेगेटिव इंटीजर लेंगे, राइट? So if I take a minus 1, okay, in case of addition, if both integers are negative, then we will have to add up there. Okay, so we will take here negative integers. So minus 1 and minus 6. Now see, according to the second rule of addition, if two integers which are both negative, okay, so you have to just add the numbers, means 6 plus 1 is 7, and put the negative sign because both are here negative. Okay, so like this you can make many more examples whose sum is minus 7. Okay, so the B part is you have to write down two integers such that their difference is minus 10. Okay, so in this bracket you have to write down integers whose difference is minus 10. Okay, so if I take here minus 12, okay, minus 12, then I will write here according to minus 12 minus 2. Okay, now see here, we have to check here is our answer coming minus 10 or not. Okay, so see here, there is subtraction between these two integers. Okay, so you have to write this first integer as it is, minus 12 as it is, then put addition sign. Okay, and write down its additive inverse, means here is minus 2, so additive inverse of minus 2 is what? Plus 2. Okay, now see, minus 12, one is negative, another is positive. Now this subtraction has changed into addition. Okay, so one is negative and one is positive. It means you have to subtract the numbers. So 12 minus 2 is what? 10, and the sign will go with greater number, that is 12 here. So here we are getting minus 10. It means we have taken the integers correct. Okay, so it means we have taken the integers correct. Okay, now C part is write down a pair of integers whose sum is 0. means आपको दो इंटीजर ऐसे लिखने हैं जिनका सम क्या है 0 आए. तो ऐसा कब पॉसिबल हो, जब दोनों ही इंटीजर एक दूसरे के क्या हों एडिटिव इन्वर्स. एडिटिव इन्वर्स के केस में ही सम क्या आता है 0 आता है. सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग minus 5, okay, and here is sum. So if we add additive inverse of this minus 5, that will be plus 5. Okay, then only you will get 0. Okay, so whenever this point arises that write down a pair of integers whose sum is 0. It means you have to take any two integers such that they will be their additive inverse. Okay, so this was your question number 1. So now question number 2. First part is write a pair of negative integers whose difference give 8. Okay, so first part is write down a pair of negative integers. It means here will be negative integers. Okay, so I am writing just its sign negative. Okay, the numbers we don't know. Okay, so we have to write down it. So write down a pair of negative integers whose difference means there will be subtraction sign here and the result is what? 8. ओके, आपको क्या लेना है? दो नेगेटिव इंटीजर इस तरीके से लेना है कि उनका सब्ट्रैक्शन क्या है? 8 आए. ओके, नाउ से इफ there is negative sign between two integers, so you have to change it in addition just by taking the additive inverse of second integer and first will be as it is. Okay, so here is positive integer. Okay, so if I take here -3, so here we will take -11. Okay, now see, the first integer will be as it is, then put addition sign, then write down the additive inverse of -11, that will be +11. Now see, according to the third or fourth rule of addition, if one is negative another is positive. Okay, so you have to subtract the numbers. So 11 minus 3 is what? 8, and then sign will go with greater number, that is +8. Okay, so here is no any sign, it means it is understood it's a positive integer. Okay, so here -3 minus -11 is 8. So the integers are -3 and -11 whose difference is 8. Okay, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is -5. Okay, so write a negative integer means this integer will be negative, and a positive integer means second one is positive integer, and whose sum, it means there will be addition between these two. Okay, whose sum is what? -5. So you remember the rules of addition. If one is negative another is positive and there is addition between them. Okay, and here the result is negative, it means the number with negative sign will be greater. So I will take here -10 and here I will take 5. Now see, -10 plus 5, one is negative another is positive, so and there is addition between them, so you have to subtract the number. Okay, so 10 minus 5 is what? 5, and the sign will go with greater number, that is 10 here, so -5 will be answer. Okay, so these two are integer, one is negative another is positive, and whose sum is -5. Okay, now C part. Write a negative integer and positive integer whose difference is -3. Okay, so here the statement is write a negative integer means first is negative integer. Okay, and second one is positive integer. Okay, and whose difference means there will be subtraction between these two integers and the result is what? -3. Okay, now see here, there is negative sign before the answer means negative integer, and one is negative another is positive and between them is subtraction sign. Okay, so we have to take accordingly. If I take here -10, okay, and here +7. So now see here the number is 3. Okay, so if I take here 7 and here 10. Okay, if I take here -2 as negative integer and +1 as positive integer. Okay, so their difference will be -3. Okay, now we will check it. If we put these integers accordingly, so are we right? Okay, so according to the rules of subtraction, if we want to change this subtraction sign in addition by putting second integer as its additive inverse. Okay, so we will doing here same. So -2 as it is, first integer as it is, then put addition sign in place of this and write the additive inverse of second integer, that is +1 here. So additive inverse of +1 will be -1. Now see, both are negative integers and there is addition sign between them. So you will do here what? Addition, because both are negative. In case of both are positive and in case of both are negative, you have to add the number. So 2 + 1 is what? 3, and the sign will be minus because both are what? Negative integers, so you have to put negative sign. So you can check here answer -3. In result we also getting -3. Okay, so we have chosen the correct integers. Now question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored -40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, -40 in 3 successive rounds. Okay, so which team scored more? And can we say that we can add integers in any order? Okay, so in this question what you have to do, there is quiz and there are 3 rounds in it. Okay, so team A has scored in first round -40, 10 in second round and 0 score in third round, and team B scored in first round 10 and second round 0 and in third round -40 scores. Okay, so here we have to find out which team has scored more, means which team has won the quiz. Okay, so for this we have to do total of the scores of 3 successive rounds for each team. Okay, so see here, team A has scored in 3 successive round -40, then 10, then 0. Okay, so team has scored in first round -40 scores and in second round 10 scores and in third round 0 scores. So their total score of team A will be what? -40 plus 10 plus 0. Okay, now see here, -40 plus 10 plus 0, 0 has no meaning, so no need to consider it, only we will take these 2 integers. Now see, one is negative integer, another is positive, and there is addition sign between them. Okay, so according to the 4th rule of addition, if one is negative, another is positive, and there is addition between them, so you have to subtract the number. So 40 minus 10 is what? 30, and the sign will go with greater integer, that is minus. So -30 is the score of team A. Okay, in the same way, team B has scored in 10, 0, -40. Okay, now you can see here the scores are same, only the rounds are changed now. -40, so here in third round team B scored -40, 10 in second round team A, and 10 in first round team B has scored, 0 in third round team A has scored, and 0 in second round team B has scored. So here the scores are almost same, just the rounds are changed. Okay, so total score of team B will be 10 plus 0 plus minus 40. Now see, 10 plus 0 is 10 and plus minus 40. Now see here, one is positive integer, another is negative, and there is addition between these two. Okay, so there will be subtraction. So 40 minus 10 is what? 30, and sign will go with greater number, that is 40 here. Okay, sign will be of minus. Now see, both team has scored same. Okay, and can we say that we can add integers in any order? So yes, we can say the integers can be added in any order. Okay, if the integers are same, then we can add them in any order. Okay, as in this question. Okay, so both team has scored equal. Okay, and integers can be added in any order. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, जहाँ पर भी ब्लैंक दिए गए हैं वहाँ पर फिल करना है, उन स्टेटमेंट्स को ट्रू बनाना है. Okay, so there are different properties using here. Okay, of addition and subtraction of integer, like commutative, additive inverse, and additive identity, associative. Okay, so we have just to check. Now see here, minus 5 plus minus 8 is equals to minus 8 plus what? Now see here, there is equal sign. Okay, between these two. Here is minus 5, that is adding to minus 8. Now here minus 8 means this minus 8. So what will be integer here? So it will be minus 5. Okay, why? Because it is nothing but the commutative property of integers. Okay, in commutativity you can write the addition of integer in any order. Okay, now see second part, minus 53 plus what is equals to minus 53. So the number which you are adding to this minus 53, the result is same, minus 53. It means you are adding here is nothing but 0, because the question and answer is same. It means you are adding something that is not affecting the number. Okay, so any number if you add to it 0, the answer will be same. Okay, so here will be 0. So this is which property? Additive identity. Okay, now see here, 17 plus what is equals to 0. दो इंटीजर्स का आप सम करें और आंसर क्या है? 0. ऐसा कब होता है? एडिटिव इनवर्स के केस में. Okay, because here is addition between these two number. Okay, so if we want to answer 0, so you have to add the additive inverse of that number. So 17, here is plus 17, so you have to add minus 17. That is the additive inverse of this 17. Okay, so here additive inverse is using. Okay, now fourth part, 13 plus minus 12 is in one group, plus what if it is equals to 13 plus minus 12 and minus 7 in another group. Okay, तो देखिए यहाँ पर तीन इंटीजर्स यूज हो रहे हैं, 13 माइनस 12 एंड माइनस 7. तो फर्स्ट केस में क्या हो रहा है, 13 और माइनस 12 को हम पहले ऐड करेंगे, फिर जो भी एडिशन आएगा उसको थर्ड इंटीजर से करेंगे. तो ऐसा किस केस में होता है? एसोसिएटिव में. ओके, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी इन विच फर्स्ट यू ऐड first you add first two integers, okay, then the addition you add to third integer, okay, that will be equal to the, if you add second two integer, then you add the addition with this first integer, okay. So here if there are three integers, so then in associative property they will be same in both side of this equal sign. So 13 minus 12, so here will come the left one, that is minus 7, okay. Now see fifth property, minus 4 plus in group 15 plus minus 3, and in right hand side minus 4 plus 15, here also the same property using. So minus 4, 15 and minus 3, here minus 3 and 15 you are adding, here 15 and minus 3 you are adding, so here the left one will come, that is minus 3, okay. So this is associative property for addition, okay. So this was question number 4. So students, this was all about for today's session, in which we have discussed application of exercise 1.2, right, okay. And in my next upcoming video we will discuss the next exercise and its basic, that is 1.3, okay. Till then keep watching my channel. Thank you.